Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following tutorial, I will be guiding you on how to delete Kakao Talk account permanently on your device. Before deleting your account, make sure that you're logged in and also make sure to check your internet connection. First of all, open up your Kakao Talk application. As you open up, next tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. Once you do that, from the drop down menu, tap on General Settings. Next page, you will be directed into Settings, so then swipe down and tap on Support. Next, you will be directed into Customer Service. So right on top or the first option, you can see Help, tap on it. On the other page, you will be directed into Help Center and you have a multiple option. So then swipe down and tap on the Kakao account in the bottom left corner. So once again, on the other page, you will be directed into Help Center. So over here, you'll have to select your device. So in case if you're using Android, so then tap on Android. And if you're using iOS device, tap on iOS in the top. Since I'm using Android device, so all you have to do is scroll down. And then on the second last option, you can see how do I delete my Kakao account. Tap on it. Next page, there is more information. So then swipe down. So right in between, there's a link. So then tap on delete Kakao account in order to access the link. On the other page, there is an update, so make sure to go through it, and in brief it says that once you delete your account, you'll not be able to restore your data. So if you're sure about deleting your account, tap on confirm, and here you can see that at once my account has been deleted. So now I won't be able to restore any other information that was on my Kakao account. So that is how you can delete Kakao account permanently on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.